Special torque wrenches. These are precision tools to measure the amount of turning or twisting force applied. This is a dial torque wrench. Torque, also known as twisting force. Force times distance, or moment. Used to deliver loads safely throughout a structure. F, L, T, where F equals force, L equals lever length, T is applied torque. Torque equals lever length times force. Torque. Torque wrench extensions increase lever length. They increase the applied force. They require recalculation of applied force. Formula, where A equals lever length of wrench and B equals lever length of wrench plus extension, TE is required torque on bolt, and TW is torque reading on wrench dial. Torque calculation with extension. Example, 40 foot-pounds required torque on a 3/8 inch bolt. 2-inch extension in line with the torque wrench is required. A equals lever length of wrench. B equals lever length of wrench plus extension. TE is required torque on bolt, and TW is torque reading on wrench dial.
Torque wrenches come in various drive sizes. You can see on the end here, this is a 1/2 inch drive. These wrenches accept standard socket wrenches. This is a 3/8 inch drive. So you've got them in several different sizes. They also come in various different styles. You've got the dial type torque wrench, and you can see you make your readings off the dial as you use it. These are called micrometer torque wrenches. They come in various different torque settings. For instance, this one, which as you can see is a very large wrench, goes up to 250 foot-pounds.
What are torque wrenches used for?
A torque wrench is used to, for one thing, to prevent over-stressing the bolt by over-torquing it, causing it to break even. But the other thing is you want the correct amount of torque on a bolt so that it produces the correct amount of clamping force when you're trying to, say, clamp two pieces of metal together.
What do you mean by clamping force?
Okay, the reason for clamping force is you don't want these two pieces of metal to vibrate against each other, for instance, during a launch. But at the same time, you don't want the pieces of metal coming apart in the case where you put too little torque on it.
This bolt is supposed to be torqued at 10 foot-pounds. How do you do that?
Okay, to set this torque wrench to 10 foot-pounds, we have to first unlock the handle. Then we rotate the handle to on the micrometer scale here until we get to the 10 foot-pounds. Then we lock the handle again such that the torque is locked into the wrench, and then we can set the wrench on the bolt and begin torquing. And it clicks and you heard it break. You could feel the handle or see the handle break over.